Welcome to The Ultimate Guide, Top 10 AI Tools Every IT Professional Must Use. In today's digital world, artificial intelligence has become an indispensable part of the IT industry. So, let's dive in and explore the top 10 AI tools that can revolutionize your work. Number 10. Chatbots. These AI-powered virtual assistants can handle customer queries, provide technical support, and streamline communication, freeing up valuable time for IT professionals. Number 9. Automation platforms. With AI automation, redundant and manual tasks are simplified, minimizing errors and increasing efficiency. Number 8. Predictive analytics. By leveraging AI algorithms, IT professionals can gain powerful insights, allowing them to proactively address potential issues and optimize system performance. Number 7. Natural language processing. Understanding and interpreting human language is made possible through AI, enabling IT professionals to build smarter search systems and improve user experience. Number 6. Image recognition. AI-powered image recognition software can accurately identify objects, faces, and patterns, helping IT professionals monitor and secure their digital infrastructure. Number 5. Network security. Defending against cyber threats is vital, and AI-based security tools can detect anomalies, monitor network traffic, and provide real-time threat intelligence. Number 4. Robotic process automation. AI can automate routine and repetitive tasks such as updating software, managing backups, and patching vulnerabilities. Number 3. Virtual assistants. AI assistants like Siri and Alexa can assist IT professionals in managing tasks, scheduling meetings, and retrieving information quickly. Number 2. Machine learning. ML algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, anticipate trends, and make informed decisions, empowering IT professionals to optimize their systems and strategies. And finally, at number 1. Intelligent virtualization. By utilizing AI, IT professionals can create and manage virtual environments efficiently, allowing for greater flexibility and scalability. So, there you have it, the top 10 AI tools every IT professional must use. Incorporating these cutting-edge technologies into your workflow will undoubtedly enhance productivity and elevate your career. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.